Find and replace is a great tool to use within Excel because oftentimes we have something that we need to fix throughout an entire presentation or Excel spreadsheet where we can use a term, find it within the document, and replace it with something else. So let's take a look at an example. So let's suppose that we have someone's name in here that's Jim, and we want to change it to James. We can use the Find and Select option and then go down to Replace. And let's say we want to find Jim and we want to replace it with James. We can go ahead and just do Replace All, or if we don't want to change everyone from Jim to James, we can do the Find Next function. So let's say that every time we see Jim Broadbent, we want to change it to James Broadbent. So we'll just do Replace. And here again, it's Jim Broadbent. So you'll always see it selects it and has the box around it. So we'll replace this one as well. This one is Jemmy Bennett. So it's important to notice it's going to pick up on the J-I-M. And if I were to hit replace, it's going to be James with the M-Y at the end because it's only going to replace the J-I-M. So I'm going to find the next one and skip it. Okay. So I could go through and do all of that. Now, other times, and if I scroll up to the top here, you'll see that we have a typo that's within this. I can take this and I can do a Control-C to copy it, and I could do my Find and Replace. I could take that character and just delete this and have no spaces, anything in there, and then I could go through and replace all of that, all of those characters of the A with the little hat on top with nothing. So I'm just going to go ahead and do Replace All, and you'll see it fixed 5,049 mistakes within this document. So a very powerful, quick and easy tool, and you can see over here already Avatar now is corrected. So again, Find and Replace is a great way to go through rather than making 5,000 changes and do this all in a matter of seconds.